For the matrices L and M, calculate the matrix product LM. Now, matrix L contains the entries 7, 0, -3, 3, and matrix M contains the entries 2 and -5. And our goal is to calculate the matrix product LM. Now, this is L multiplied by L. I'm sorry, this is L multiplied by M. Now, what is the order of matrix L and what is the order of matrix M? Now, the order of matrix L is a 2 by 2 matrix, and the order of matrix M is 2 by 1. 2 by 2 because it has 2 rows, right? This is 1 row, this is the next row, and 2 columns. This is 1 column, this is another column. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. 1 row, 1 row, 1 column, the next column, 2 by 2 matrix. This one right here is a 2 by 1 matrix because it has 2 rows, 1 row, 1 row, that's 2 rows, 1 row, then the next row, and then 1 column. This is just 1 column right there. So it's a 2 by 1. But notice that these two numbers are the same. So since these two numbers are the same, that means that we can multiply these two matrices. Now the resultant matrix is going to be a 2 by 1 matrix. That's what the resultant matrix is going to be. And 2 by 1 matrix it looks like this, and that's on the first entry, row 1, column 1, and the second entry is going to be row 2, column 2. And this is telling us the formula that we're going to use in order to multiply these two matrices. So for this one, we have to go row 1, column 1. So this is row 1, this is column 1. And so again, we have to do row 1, column 1. So we have 2 times 7, which is 7 times 2. And then we have to do 0 times -5. So 0 times -5. Next, we have to do row 2, column 1. So row 2, column 1. So you have -1 times 2, which we have here. We have 3 multiplied by 5. I'm sorry, 3 multiplied by -5. That's already 3 multiplied by -5. Next, we just multiply. We have 7 multiplied by 2, which is 14. 0 times -5, which is a 0. -1 times 2, which is -2. Then we have 3 times -5, which is -15. Now what is 14 plus 0? 14 plus 0 is 14. And -2 plus -15 is a -17. So that means that matrix LM, the matrix product LM, is equal to a matrix that is of order 2 by 1 and has the entries 14 and -17. Next, it says for the matrix L and M, calculate the matrix product ML. So it's different now. It's not LM, but it's ML. Now notice that this is M and this is L. The order of matrix M is 2 by 1, and the order of matrix M, the order of matrix M, that's this one, matrix M, is 2 by 1, and the order of matrix L is 2 by 2, because this one is a square matrix, 2 by 2, but this one is a matrix that is 2 by 1. So that's 2 rows, 1 column. This one has 2 rows and 2 columns. But notice that these two numbers are not equal. And since these two numbers are not equal, that means that ML is undefined, right? The multiplication is undefined with these two matrices. And so we cannot perform the multiplication because these two numbers are not equal. Now, if they were equal, then we could multiply. But since they're not equal, multiplication is not defined among these two matrices arranged in this way. So ML is undefined, and that's the answer to this question.